Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Rajni Chaudhary and in this particular video we would be studying about circuit breaker. During the operation of power system, sometimes it becomes necessary to switch on or switch off the various circuits during the normal or the abnormal condition. Therefore, earlier this function was performed with the help of the switches or the fuse placed in the circuits. But since we know that fuse needs to be replaced after being blown out, and therefore this process is time consuming. With the advancement of technology, this function of switching on or switching off the various devices during the normal or the abnormal conditions was sorted with the help of the circuit breaker. This video will cover the following points: a brief introduction about the circuit breaker, its operation and working, the circuit breaker contacts, the circuit breaker ratings, and the types of circuit breaker. Circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is a piece of equipment which can either make or break the connection depending upon whether the condition is normal or faulty. Thus, the circuit breaker incorporates the manual or the remote control operation for the switching purpose. The circuit breaker makes a circuit either manually or by the automatic control during the normal condition, whereas when a fault occurs, it needs to break the connection. Thus, it breaks a circuit automatically under faulty condition. Also, it can make a circuit either manually or with the help of automatic control under the fault condition. That is, when a fault is occurring, the circuit is break during the faulty condition. But if you want to again make the connections, then it can be done either manually or with the help of the remote control, which is basically your automatic control. Operating principle of circuit breaker. A circuit breaker generally consists of fixed and moving contacts. These are also known as electrodes. During the normal operation, the two fixed contact and the moving contact both are intact with each other, that is, they remain closed. But we can also open the two contacts manually or with the help of remote control whenever it is desired. But generally, the two contacts get separated from each other during the fault condition. When a fault occurs, the trip coil associated with the moving contacts energizes, and thus the moving contact is pulled away from the fixed contact. When the two contacts are separated from each other, an arc is established between them. This arc tries to make the connection still between the fixed contact and the moving contact. Circuit breaker contacts. As discussed, circuit breaker has two contacts: fixed contact and moving contact. These contacts are required to carry the normal as well as the short circuit current during the make or break connection of the circuit breaker. Hence, the design of contact is of great importance for satisfactory work operation of circuit breaker. Thus, during the normal operation, when the circuit breaker is carrying the normal current, it is desired that the temperature should not rise above the specified limit, plus the voltage drop across the contacts should also be low. In the same way, when the circuit breaker is carrying the breaking or making short circuit current, then in that case the melting and the vaporization by the heat of the arc so formed between the contacts when they are separated, and the electromagnetic force build up there need to be taken care of. Types of circuit breaker contacts. Generally, there are three types of circuit breaker contacts. First, tulip type contact. Second, finger and wedge contacts. Third, butt contact. Talking specifically about the tulip type contact, there is a moving contact inside the fixed contact. As the moving contact moves away from the fixed contact, an arc is established between the tips of the fixed contact and the moving contact. Finger and wedge contact. The figure here represents the finger and wedge contact. Such type of contacts are generally used for low voltage oil circuit breakers. Butt contact. In this type of contact, a spring and the moving contact is used for the separation of the two contacts. Circuit breaker ratings. Generally, circuit breaker have three ratings: breaking capacity, making capacity, and short time capacity. Breaking capacity is defined as the RMS value of fault current at the instant of contact separation, whereas making capacity is defined as the peak value of the fault current during the first cycle of the current wave after the circuit breaker contacts are closed. Short time capacity is defined as it is the time period for which the circuit breaker is able to carry the fault current while remaining closed. Sometimes it is possible that the fault current nature is temporary, that is, after 2 or 3 seconds the fault will automatically get cleared off. In that case, it is desired that circuit breaker should not trip, and therefore the holding capacity of the circuit breaker is defined as the short time capacity. Also, there is one more rating, which is the normal current rating of the circuit breaker. It is basically the RMS value of the current which the circuit breaker is capable of carrying continuously at its rated frequency under specified condition. Types of circuit breaker. The classification of circuit breaker can be very wide. Here, depending upon the low and medium voltage application, circuit breaker can be classified into miniature circuit breaker and molded case circuit breaker. In your house, you must have seen the miniature circuit breaker. Also, according to the medium of arc extinction, circuit breaker can be classified into air circuit breaker, air blast circuit breaker, oil circuit breaker, SF6 circuit breaker, and vacuum circuit breaker. These all are defined according to the medium of quenching the arc. Like in air circuit breaker and air blast circuit breaker, air is used as a medium, either pressurized or non-pressurized air. Whereas in oil circuit breaker, oil is used as a medium for quenching the arc. SF6 circuit breaker uses the gas SF6 for quenching the arc. In the same way, vacuum is used as a medium for arc extinction. References. Listed here are some of the references from where the content of the slide has been prepared. Concluding the video, here we have covered the circuit breaker operation, its rating, types of circuit breaker contacts, and the various types of circuit breakers in short. For more videos, stay connected and thank you.